Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Borna Zuber. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I made this video in Croatian, but I'm going to make a short piece for you guys. I know it's interesting to be here because we're in the Guinness Factory. I'm standing at the nitrogen sign because it's one of the ingredients they put while making the famous Guinness beer, and I'm going to show you the whole process, the whole factory. Right now we're at the floor that shows how they're making the beer and what they're doing to it, how to get the flavor, what the temperature is, and basically the whole process is explained. Here you don't get all the details, but you get a lot of details on how it's done. First of all, guys, the factory is huge. Like, it's on 7 floors. Each floor has so many things and so many information about it. So if you're in Ireland, if you're in Dublin, definitely come over here. Check out the brewery, it's really awesome. Like, start from the bottom, work your way up to the top, and there at the top you have like a huge bar that has a view on the whole city, and it will show you, it will be a great place to have like a Guinness beer and look at the city of Dublin. So I definitely recommend coming here. If you haven't tuned into the channel, I started working in Ireland last year, and I moved to Killarney. I work in a recruitment company, and right now my parents are visiting, so me and my girlfriend, we took them here. Basically for the last 10 days we were taking them around Ireland and Killarney and Dublin and showing them stuff. And right now we're at the Guinness Brewery, as I told you. We really like it here, it's really cool. It's my second time here, and it's really nice. This time we're going to get the certificate on how to pour a proper pint of Guinness, so stay tuned in the video. See you guys.
So, a little bit about myself. I grew up here in Dublin, very exciting, I know. I live 15 minutes outside the brewery, so I grew up watching the brewers, smelling the Guinness, watching.
Cheers everyone, how's it going? So we're on the next floor here. I like this area because on these screens, you can't see them right now, but basically they're explaining everything on myths about alcohol, and basically they're giving true facts on food, eating, sleeping and stuff like that that are kind of in the relationship with alcohol, and they're debunking some of the myths regarding drinking and what people think. Generally this floor is cool. If you want, you can test your trivia skills and information about alcohol on these screens. That's really nice. And we're still not done with the factory, so we're kind of in the half here, and I'm going to show you this area here. So basically right now we've seen how they produce the beer, and now we're going to show you like where they package it, so the barrels, and how they transported it. So it's going to be a fun part of the story. Hi guys, how's it going? So this part of the brewery, they're going into the barrels. Basically they're telling you everything about how they're making them, that it was like a really hard craft, that you had to learn a lot how to make the barrels, and they have their own patent of making them, and telling you about how they were shipping them all around the world, and how heavily they influenced the process of manufacturing and basically delivering and transporting beer all over the world. So definitely Guinness as a company impacted the whole brewing world. They affected all the brews and beers of today, if I can say it like that, because they affected the whole process on how they're delivered. They started trading routes, they made their own patents, they affected the transport industry, logistics, everything, guys. So Guinness put beer on the map. It put it right there. So yeah, definitely we have a lot to thank Guinness for in creating the world of beer as we know it today in the way that they did.
The staves are allowed to stand for up to 5 years. In the cooper shop, the weather lens are sawn off and the stage is set for us to see the traditional craft of coopering. Master Cooper, Dick Flanagan, would take us step by step through all the stages, from the first rough listing with the axe, to the final driving home of the chime with the maul. We would see something of the skill and effort that went into the manufacture of the once familiar Guinness wooden cask. During the backing and hollowing operations, the stave is held in a jig called the horse or mare, which is an iron frame with a foot-operated spring clamp. Watertight seal will be achieved without the use of any adhesives, nails or screws. To render the oak staves pliable, the cask is placed in a steam bell. It is then subjected to steam at a pressure of 130 pounds per square inch for half an hour. A wire rope is looped over the splayed end and drawn tight by a hand-operated windlass.
Stanje da sjedne na ono. A gled tu napravicu, znaš kaj je to oštro, da mu odleti ili da... Čovječe, dragi moj, gled to. S donje strane pa onda gore. To sam već vidjela kako. Gled.
S ove strane nabije.
Isuse. Viš kako to moraš timat. Dragi moj Bože.
Thanks again for watching the video. Hope you like, share, comment and subscribe. If you want to have more content, feel free to add me on LinkedIn for some business content. On Instagram I usually put cool photos during the day. I also use Snapchat, so feel free to add me there. On Twitter I follow some influencers in the tech scene. And if you're on Facebook, like my group Power Balls, where I'm selling protein balls. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.